Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be discussing all of the ways you can make money through Canva. As you guys know, I am super passionate about having a secondary income and making a passive income online. And I genuinely think that making money through Canva is the easiest way you can have a passive income online. So stay tuned to see how you can make money through Canva. Okay, so tip number one is to start a Canva creator profile. Now to do this, you need to sign up on their website to become a Canva creator, and you have to send in your portfolio and they will review it and give you access to becoming a Canva creator. And in my experience, I have been doing Canva creations for about 3-4 months now. And I have seen how it has literally grown every single month. And every single month I have been earning a little bit more. So it definitely is a passive income because you create a template once, it gets published and reviewed, and then once it is reviewed and they promote it, then you can start earning money off of this template. This is really easy because they promote it for you if you create good enough templates, which is obviously the goal. And yeah, it's sometimes you get like thousands and thousands of exports on a template, and yeah, there is definitely a bit of a science behind how much you actually earn per export because it does change every single month, and I think depending on the creator it changes a little bit. But anyways, it is really still a great platform to start earning some secondary income. And yeah, it's like you post it once and it just earns money all the time. So currently on my Canva creators platform, I get about 7,000 to 10,000 exports per month, which obviously that's not the amount of money you make. You make a certain amount per export. So I take whatever exports I have divided by the amount I kind of figured out what I get per export. And yeah, it's been really helpful and just a good secondary income. And obviously you get paid through PayPal or PayFast. And yeah, if you are South African, I just wanted to give a disclaimer. It's really hard to link your bank account to an FNB account, but I've done it, so it is possible. And yeah, then you can withdraw the money anytime you want. So Canva creators get paid on the 15th of each month, so your money will be coming in on the 15th each month. And yeah, it is on my side of the world. My exports are delayed a bit because I think they measure it in Australian time, so my exports are usually like a day behind. So yeah, it's really nice, and typically if they say we get paid on the 15th, I will get paid on the 16th. So just keep that in mind. I'm assuming it will work the same for America, just because we all have such a big time difference from the Australians. Okay, so tip number two is to create templates that you will sell on things like Etsy or Gumroad. This is really nice because you don't necessarily need a platform to sell your templates to, and because people generally search for these things a lot online. And according to my research, I have seen that a lot of people make a lot of money through this. So I think the Etsy shops do really well, and I do think it is worth trying it out and seeing how it works. If you are creating these templates through Canva, I do think it opens up your opportunities so much because you don't necessarily need to be a qualified designer, and you also don't need to have any background experience in design. If you feel like you are creative and you have a niche for creativity, then I genuinely think you could make money off of this in this way. The thing with Canva is they have so many templates already built that the Canva creators build. You can literally just use that as a wireframe for your templates. However, I just want to put a disclaimer out there that I'm not condoning stealing templates at all, and I do know that it is a huge problem within the Canva creator community that some people just download their templates exactly the way they created them on Canva and then try and sell them on Etsy. Please don't do that. Please create your own templates. It's not hard. It's actually really easy. And if you guys would like to see a video on how to create templates on Canva, please leave your messages down below and I will definitely do so. Creating templates is also really nice because Canva has the feature for you to just swap styles. So for instance, if you have picked a template on Canva, you can change the style and fonts in seconds, and that is really easy and makes the design process so much easier. And I mean, once again, this is a passive income. You do it once and it will start earning money for you. So I would definitely recommend trying this out to see if this method works for you. Okay, then tip number 3 is to become a Canva affiliate. Now this is a little bit harder to achieve since you do need a little bit of a platform. I do think they just want to see that you have a bit of an audience before you get approved. Nothing insane. I think I had 2,000 followers on Instagram when I got approved to be a Canva affiliate, so it's really not a lot. And if you do feel like you have a small audience, you can definitely try and become a Canva affiliate through this. So all you need to do is go to the Canva affiliate website and sign up to be an affiliate. Then you can create links to become a Canva affiliate, and if you have a bit of an audience, you can just promote this to them. So you will typically promote Canva Pro, which is obviously where the money is in Canva. And yeah, even if I wasn't a Canva affiliate member, I would definitely recommend the Canva Pro subscription if you use Canva very often, or if you want to use it to create templates, just because you have access to way more elements, fonts, and just all of the things on Canva, and it does make the design process much easier. So I would highly recommend getting a Canva Pro subscription, and I will have my link to that down below so you guys can sign up for your Canva Pro subscription and make sure that your templates are the best that they can be. Okay, so when you are a Canva affiliate, you will create a Canva affiliate link, and this link you will be using on all of your platforms to share this link. Your platforms are linked to your Canva affiliate profile, and that is how they measure how much money you are bringing in. So every time someone clicks on the link and purchases a Canva Pro subscription, you will get a percentage of that money that they are earning. This is also a very easy and passive way to make money, as if you have a YouTube channel, you can put it in the comment section and people can click on that link, or you can just keep on promoting it on Instagram. It doesn't take a lot of time or effort, and yeah, it is genuinely a good product, so you wouldn't even feel bad for promoting it. It really is good and definitely worth the buy. Tip number 4 is more for the designers. So if you have a bit of a background in design or some design skills, you can always sell your services. This is something that I offer in my services as well, not necessarily Canva designs, but to create editable Canva templates. And this is really nice because you can create the designs in Adobe Illustrator or InDesign or whatever you prefer, and you can just convert them onto Canva, and this can be sent to clients so that they can use it for their small businesses, and it can be designed in their corporate identity. Now, to be able to do this, you will need a Canva Pro subscription. So once again, my link is linked down below, but this is also a really nice way to make money, as you can charge people per templates. And yeah, I've found that people genuinely do want these templates, especially if they are small businesses and can't invest in marketing yet. Then they really prefer to have this in there. It is also nice to include in your branding packages if you do branding, which I also do. I will have my website linked down below. You can include this as a must for branding clients, as it genuinely does help their businesses grow. You can create packages where you sell these templates in, which can be big packages or small packages. You can make them custom designs or just pre-made designs that you can sell to your clients. Or you can do this on a retainer monthly basis, where you basically create content for these people on a monthly basis and earn a monthly income from that. So that is also good for a passive income. I mean, this is also probably the one where you will have to make the most effort to be making the money, but I mean, still easy enough, and yeah, I would highly recommend trying it out. The last tip is becoming a Canva teacher, and this is something you can do through Canva or just on your own through your social media platforms or a YouTube channel such as this. And this is really interesting if you have a teaching ability, and if you feel like you are good with other people and working with people. You can always create a course on your website, on YouTube, wherever, even on places like Skillshare or Udemy. And you can sell these courses to teach people how to use Canva. Now, this is not something that I personally do at the moment. Well, I mean, I am kind of telling you guys about Canva, but not as a proper income stream at the moment, maybe someday. But yeah, if you're passionate about teaching, I would highly recommend trying out becoming a Canva teacher and teaching people how to use the platform for their own businesses or to do the same as you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope that it was helpful and that you guys will start making money through Canva very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below any ideas for videos that you would like to see in the future. I will definitely be doing them soon. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and my social media platforms. Once again, I will have my Canva Pro link linked down below if you want to sign up for a Canva Pro account. And yeah, I hope that you guys will have an amazing week further and that you have learned something today. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.